KCA23 Intelligent Console, creating an efficient operation hub for critical scenarios. The KCA23 from Kesino integrates technology and practicality in accordance with military-grade standards. Its main frame is made of 6063 T5 aluminum alloy with a load-bearing capacity of 200 kilograms per meter, ensuring durability for 20 years without deformation. The EO-grade HPL decorative panel desktop with polyurethane edge banding is moisture-proof and scratch-resistant, safeguarding a healthy office environment. The modular design supports flexible combination of screens and multi-screen stands. The ice blue ambient lighting and anti-collision leg design balance a sense of technology and comfort. The 500mm base cabinet is separated from the strong and weak current wiring, suitable for multi-host equipment. The natural air cooling system ensures stable operation for 724 hours.